How does it feel waking up at 3 a.m.?
Considering I got 6 hours of sleep, amazing.
Happy Mindset Project's first out-of-town gig, and we're bringing our good vibes music to the surfing capital of the North, La Union. So here in this video, in this clip, showing to you the morning of that day. So some of the items that we're going to bring to La Union, and we're very blessed and fortunate that we are in one vehicle. We don't need to ride separately. We had our stop over somewhere in NLEX to have our breakfast. Coffee for me, it's mandatory at least for that morning, and the other guys had their breakfast. It was a very smooth travel. I think it's because it's not peak season. A lot of us were already thinking that this is the rainy season, so they are hesitant to go to beaches because they think that they may not be able to enjoy if the weather would not cooperate. Aringay La Union. I would like to believe our clan came here, was from here, but I grew up in Manila already. So this is my son, and eventually we get to arrive at our accommodation. Shout out to my sister-in-law who helped us find this very simple accommodation. Anyway, it's just overnight. Maruya, La Union. So you guys you may want to check it out if ever you'd be visiting La Union. Waiting time for us. So before the gig, we were able to chill, just rest, be silly, just like what this guy was doing. And we also tried to explore the surroundings. We went somewhere, but lunch at that time was a group thing. So these are the other bands who would be playing later that night. What we did is the boodle fight. Yan. Kasi malalakas kaming kumain. So, at mas madaling mag-prepare, no? Hindi mo kailangan maghugas ng pinggan at plato. And I think this kind of sort of practice reinforce unity. Naks. Kasi you have to eat in together, tapos parang hindi kayo magsiseparate ng plate. So yun, we're able to had our stomach filled. So some of the guys. This is the place, Apollo La Union Bar. So maybe for some of you would want to go there, you might want to visit this one, Apollo La Union Bar. The theme for that night was alon at musika. So we started early because I think there was this rule in La Union that by 12 midnight, sound off. So tigil na lahat ng mga bar. So this event is in partnership with Studio 512 Production, and as with any other gigs ng Studio 512, si Sir Philip ang nagsisimula ng tugtugan. Si Sir Rodsky. Yan. So we started with acoustic acts. Sir Shake and Kai with 90s music. Yan. Nagpakawala sila ng mga nostalgic music nung 90s. These are some of the bands. Kagimo. Okay. Posforo, Rambo, Sir Rambo, and Sir Enzo. Yan. Matindi rin tong bandang to. And I think they're loudest for that night, itong Infidels playing Pantera. Okay, so that would be all for this vlog. Stay tuned for the next set of clips. Bye.